Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. Just a quick planner haul here. Oh, I'm so excited. I got this from America, and oh gosh, I just love these stickers. They're amazing. They make me so happy, and I'm sure you can hear it in my voice. I need the pick-me-up. You know, I'm desperate for it every day because sometimes I get so low and I can't put my finger on it why. I'm grateful for everything that I have in my life, whether big, small or in between. I'm just so grateful because there's so much sadness and doom and gloom going on in the world right now, and as I said, I'm so grateful, but there's times when I just really need a pick-me-up. So these I got from America, and oh my goodness me, they are amazing. Now, she is called Fabulously Creative, and oh, I got these to inspire me all the way because I really need. Now, they're just beautiful. Words can't explain it. They are absolutely ecstatic on the eyes, and I needed this to put in my planner. Beautiful, colourful. I got two of these and I gave one to my daughter. She can actually make planner stickers. She's a graphic designer, but she doesn't have the time. She's so busy. So whenever I get stickers, I always try and buy her something as well. And it's just beautiful, really beautiful. Oh, let's have a look. Let's have a quick look. Let's open them up and see. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. That's the Parisian chick, and she's an amazing lady, fabulously creative. I'm gonna link her below. She's an amazing lady, and I'm so happy with my stickers. So those are for my mini happy planner. They could well be for my journal as well, because I journal a lot, and these would be so handy to put in my journal as well. I'm so happy to get these, because I know that we have some great stickers in the UK, but I haven't actually found anything that I really want. And these are just absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. This is the Slay Planner Girl. And we've got the reminder to do, don't forget, when sad, add more lipstick and attack. That is great. Slay Girl, Slay. Got the weekend, and isn't she absolutely pretty? So that's that. That will encourage me to get up in the mornings, when I get up in the mornings, to definitely, you know, just put something on, make myself feel good, because a lot of the time I can spend days in my PJs and it's not good. Any excuse not to leave the house. So this is really going to encourage me. I'm going to stay focused and try my best to really be happy. And these are beautiful. This is the Glam Planner Girl, and again it's got the reminder to do, don't forget. And these ones says a girl should be two things, classy and fabulous. It's got me time and the weekend, and look at her in a beautiful top and skirt and sandals and handbag. It's beautiful. That looks like, reminds me of the little Kate Spade handbag that I've got. Absolutely beautiful. And we've got here as well So these will keep me going for a while, because I do have a plan. I really tried to make a positive plan for 2019. My mini happy planner is really working for me. I have got two big ones. I've got two classics, but they're just far too big. I don't have so much to plan, so I'd rather have the mini one, and that's working out great. And this one is Get It Done Planner Girl. Reminder again to do, don't forget, hustle for the pretty things, weekend, focused and fabulous. And doesn't she look spectacular with her shopping bag? I think she's been to Macy's. And her lovely little handbag. Yeah, so they're really uplifting. Thank you, fabulously creative. Thank you, girl. And here another one I've got here. This is the Pretty Plans number 2, and this one is got the cups with the eyelashes, the bedtime masks to put over your eyes, the eye masks, the cups. And I'm not a coffee lover, and I like that these are plain because I drink a lot of herbal tea, and so I can put something on it like a gold love heart or something, just embellish it a little more, just to show that it's herbal tea as well. And the handbags are absolutely beautiful. I love that handbag. That is proper retro. That looks like the female satchels. We used to call them satchels in the 70s, 80s, with her coffee cup in her hand, her teacup I should say. So I just love that. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Ugh. And then we have this one. I used to be fabulous, you know, back in the day, until I suffer with chronic anxiety at the moment now. And, you know, I do have real good happy days at times, but when the low days come, it's like you just can't shake them. And this is sweater weather, and I am I'm a sucker for a sweater. Any chance I can get myself into sweater, I will. And that's beautiful. It's got her jeans and her long boots, her knee-high boots, and her rucksack. Another pair of these are cowboy boots with the bows. Oh, beautiful. And I love her hat as well. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, this would be actually quite appropriate to dress like this today, because the sun is out and it's absolutely bright, but in some parts, once you come out of the sun, it can be very chilly. So this would be really nice, this look, to wear out today. So that's a sweater weather. And then we have keep on making these lovely stickers, fabulously creative, because you're doing a really great job, in my opinion. You've made a girl very happy. And this is sweater weather number 2. Beautiful. Look at that. She's walking to work. Oh, handbags, ankle boots, oh, high heels, and her Mac. Oh, beautiful. Love it. Love it. Love it. That's all I have to say. So I will link her details below. And then I've got some more here. Now, I wanted these. I wanted to get some of these, and I've got a load of them, and therefore, to encourage me to walk because I need to walk at least 30-45 minutes a day. So those are to encourage me to walk. Those are the trainers, and they're lovely. They look like Adidas trainers with the stripes on the side. I love trainers, yeah. So that'll help me, encourage me to walk. So I'm going to really try my best. And they're just so encouraging. And they come off really nice. They come off really easy and lovely. So I'm really happy with that. I love the way the shoestrings are just dangling there. So that's that. And I've got some sleep covers for the eyes. And some beautiful handbags. And look at these beautiful polka dot pencils. Beautiful. You know, those are the pencils that look like pens with the rubber at the top. And it says, write it down, pencil it in, and plan on it. So I'm really happy with those. I'm happy with everything, in all fairness. And then we've got the Shine Bright, which are beautiful again. It's got Shine Bright, Do You, Be Happy, Born to Shine, Be Awesome, and Worry Less, Live More. And there's the mason jar with all the paintbrushes and pencils and stuff, all the arty-farty bits and the diamonds. And then we've got another one here with the flowers, the trainers again, handbags, the shoes, the mason jar, the love hearts. And then I've got some lovely die cuts. Lovely ephemera, beautiful, fabulous. I've got the flowers there, backpack, fabulous. So bigger fabulous, Born to Shine, another flower there. And the mason jars are so cute. The shoes, more flowers, Be Happy. Oh, this mason jar is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to change the covers on my mini happy planner. So I'll be doing that. That's a small Born to Shine, small Be Happy, Be Awesome. And bigger shoes, fabulous. Got 2 pairs of those. Oh, look at the trainer. Oh. Another bag, small Be Awesome, and some more flowers. Really happy with my buy. And again, she's a beautiful soul, this lady. I will link all her details below, and she's made me so happy with her product and her service. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you like to see videos like this, and also click the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves now, and bye for now. Bye bye.